Hello, we're going to build a database about a list of computers. As you notice, we had to brainstorm earlier about what we need to know about each computers. We decided that we need to know about the manufacturer, the data type, or the specific type of data that associated with the manufacturer is supposed to be text. And we chose to be 20, and also we're going to be using, as we call, the lookup wizard. So it's going to give me a chance to enter or these data, so I'll be able to choose one of them instead of trying to think about what I need to do, knowing that these actually the four most common manufacturer for computer. Every manufacturer has a lot of models, so we're going to choose that also as text and then character for each one of those. The monitor size, we have to choose it as a number, but specifically I have to choose that as an integer, so we don't have a fraction of an inch. The CPU, on the other hand, is a number, but it's a single, meaning it's going to allow me to have a decimal points and digit to the right of the decimal point. If I don't have that, the chance to change that to single, there is no way I could really look at 3.7 or 3.1. Access is going to look at both of them as the same thing, and there is a huge difference between a speed of 3.7 gigahertz and a 3.1 gigahertz. So if we need accuracy, we need to keep the decimal points. We have to choose our number as a single or double. Of course, price is currency, and we have RAM, which is usually what's referred to as the random access memory, the amount of memory, main memory for a computer, also number, and that's going to be an integer. And for each model, if you take a look at all these six, none of those actually could be usable or helpful as a primary key, because the same manufacturer could produce many computers, or we have multiple computers that can be made by same manufacturer. That's true, as I said earlier. Model can be repeated, monitor size can be repeated for two different computers. CPU the same price, two computer can be the same price, and two computer have the same amount of RAM. But the only thing that the two computer cannot have is a value as the serial number. So this is going to distinguish two computer from each other, just like we distinguish two human beings when we collect their data by their social security number. This is going to be a text. Serial number is not a number, it's a text, because if I chose to put any other character beside digit 0 through 9, of course, it has to be treated as a text. And as you see here, I decided to make this as a primary key. So this is going to actually give me the understanding that I need to move now to Access. As you notice, I am inside Word. I'm using Word as the brainstorming session here for me. So I'm going to stop in this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video to start working with Access based on what we wanted to put here. Thank you.